Hello, we are Dreamers with 4 members, Nghi, Khoa, Long and me, Vân.
We want to discuss in this video is how to make learning and teaching languages fun.
In this case, learning and teaching English, keeping the students engaged and motivated can be a challenge.
Don't worry, we have come up with 3 best methods.
And I am Thanh Vân, the first presenter of a group, who will be in charge of the very first method called games-based learning. It simply means including game in the lecture or turning a lesson into games. In modernization world, teenagers seem to be prefer modern teaching aids, particularly the digital games. Game is fun too. Through games, students could have a variety of activities in different ways, depending on different games. They could have rewards, maybe one to rank in top 3, also lots of surprises and humor too to stay up to interest in learning. Therefore, games grab the attentions of learners and engaging them in the learning process. Furthermore, the knowledge and skills acquired through games-based learning are likely to be retained longer than information from old learning methods like learning by heart.
Thank you, Vân, for letting us know the games-based learning method. I am Nghi, and I will give you an example for this method. Well, nowadays, teachers can use the popular tool named Kahoot to create formative assessment or even review games. Kahoot is a quiz game where teachers can write multiple choice questions, and Kahoot will track the points of everyone in class and export the data to a spreadsheet for analysis. After every quiz, there is a limited time for students to choose the answer. So, the result is that students can have quick thinking ability through this kind of game. Moreover, Kahoot can help students practice leadership and collaborative skill when teacher divided students into groups, because members in each group have to work together and the leaders have to listen to their teammates to choose the best answer for each question.
Another fun way to learn English is through music, specifically through songs with lyrics, which help us remember many different English phrases in a short time, given the song's nature. For example, the lyric "Another one bites the dust" from the titular song is repeated many times. This way we could learn English more easily without having the hassle to go through vocabulary or grammar exercises. Plus, English songs helps us with our pronunciation because they also help us memorize the more correct way words in a song's pronounced. So basically, songs helps us remember better, thus makes it easier and more entertaining to learn.
I'm Khoa, the last speaker. This method is for our beloved teachers, saying that they should pay attention to their student interests. Take the time to ask your students about their hobbies and interests. It's important to take note of them and maximize their potential. Then it's more important for teachers to hold the lecture with what students are interested in. For instance, if the majority of class loves reading books, teachers should talk more about books in class, give examples with book authors, or cite some famous scenes in popular books. Hence, students feel the care and find joy in learning.
This brings us to the end of our talk.
With all the methods mentioned in the video,
We hope that you could use some of these to help you find joy in learning English.
thanks for your watching.
And have a nice day.